Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error payment failed for my protection on Cash App. Okay, so as we can see from this screenshot, this payment was declined for your protection. It may even say this payment was cancelled for your protection, so they're both the same thing. Okay, so to actually fix this, what you're going to need to do is actually go into your Cash App. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually go into your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and then in this section select verify your identity. So once you've verified your identity, next you want to check the person that you're sending money to is also correct. If you've got the correct credentials, i.e. the account number, routing number, and things like that. Okay, and if this still isn't working for you, the next thing you're going to want to do is go back into your profile, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on support. And next select payments. Okay, and then just select sending payments. And then on the next page, we're then going to see cancelling a payment. And scroll all the way to the bottom where we can see chat. This is going to open a new messaging service directly with Cash App support. It may bring up a page showing your most recent transactions or asking you, is it about this particular transaction, which it's not going to be. So just select not about a transaction. And then this should open up the messaging service directly with support. So just press chat. And here you can explain that you're trying to send a payment, but it was cancelled for your protection. And then hopefully they will be able to help you set up a new payment and it will actually clear. Okay, so that is how to fix the payment failed for your protection on Cash App.